Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing, and today I have a special item. This is from Supreme. Now I don't normally buy Supreme items unless I really am planning to use it, and this is one of the items. I believe this is my second Supreme water bottle, and this I think is one of the better ones, although it's a little bit small. But anyway, let's get straight into it. This is the Supreme and SIGG, the Swiss water bottle manufacturer, the collaboration item. This is the SIGG Traveler water bottle. As you can see here, you got that wrapper with that Supreme sticker, and if I just carefully remove this, check that out. Very red, vibrant red. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is one of the better Supreme items. Something that's really usable. No doubt it's a little bit small. 0.6 liters of water you can carry. Well, have a look at the specs right here. Alright, it's all got all that good stuff. And you got that Supreme print right there. It's very clean. Look at the paint. Smooth, matte finish. The only thing that is kind of a downside is this thing here, the bottle cover, which is slightly off reddish, because again this is plastic, this is metal, and on the inside you've got that gold color tint on the inside right there. This one, possibly you can replace this, and on top you've got the SIGG branding right there. So pretty cool. I'll definitely be using this for sure. 0.6 liters. Again, this is a traveler water bottle. Don't expect too much of it. As you can see here, definitely grippable with one hand, right? And let's compare that with the BAPE Nalgene water bottle right there. The size difference, as you can see, this one carries 1 liter of water. You can see right there, 1 liter. So, but again, this is plastic. It's got that hook for you to hook it up, and this is metal. Sounds pretty cool. There you go. So overall, definitely a must cop, especially if you like to travel, you're an outdoor kind of person. This is definitely a flex item if you're one of those kind of people who do a lot of outdoor activities. So yep, hope you liked the video. Subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Follow me on IG at LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.